Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's kick things off with a product that promises not just to brighten your cheeks, but also boost the health of your skin. Laura Geller New York's Baked Blush-n-Brighten Marbleized Blush in the shade Tropic Hues. This blush isn't your run-of-the-mill blush. Handmade in Italy, this marbleized gem combines a mix of coral, gold, and pink tones that are tailored for medium skin tones, delivering a satin finish with buildable color. But what truly sets it apart is the skincare element infused within. Thanks to antioxidant-rich Centella Asiatica and white tea extracts, this product is as much about skincare as it is about color. Now let's talk about what this blush does. Its creamy, weightless texture glides effortlessly onto the skin, delivering an instant flush of color and a subtle radiance that never looks too over the top. The formula adjusts to your skin tone for that perfect natural glow, making it ideal for every day or those moments when you need a little extra vibrancy. When I first tried this, I was genuinely impressed by how smoothly it applied. The formula has that buttery texture that blends seamlessly, and even when layered, it doesn't feel heavy or cakey. I love how it adds that soft highlight, almost like a glow from within. It's perfect for waking up dull or mature skin, providing that instant radiance without being glittery or shiny. On the downside, the product's soft finish can be a little too subtle for those who prefer a more intense blush. It's buildable, yes, but if you're looking for something bold, you might need to layer a bit more. Also, as with any product that's infused with skincare ingredients, some might prefer a formula that focuses solely on cosmetics. Now let's get into the value for money. At first glance, Laura Geller may seem a bit pricier than some other drugstore options, but when you factor in the skincare benefits and the unique marbleized formula, it starts to make sense. You're not just paying for a pretty blush, you're also getting antioxidants that help nourish the skin over time. If you're looking for alternatives, there are definitely some budget-friendly options out there, but they may not offer the same combination of color and skincare benefits. If the price is a concern, brands like Milani or ELFF offer similar shades and textures for a fraction of the cost, though they might not come with the same long-term skin benefits. As for the packaging, it's sturdy and sleek, but not overly bulky, easy to toss into a makeup bag without worrying about it taking up too much space. There's no annoying fragrance, which I appreciate, especially for those with sensitive skin. When it comes to longevity, the blush holds up well throughout the day. While I did need to reapply after a few hours of wear, it didn't fade patchily or make my skin feel dry, which is a huge plus in my book. I haven't had direct interaction with customer support, but Laura Geller has a solid reputation for customer service, which I've heard mentioned in reviews as being responsive and helpful. In summary, this Baked Blush-n-Brighten delivers a gorgeous, healthy glow, making it perfect for adding life to dull skin. If you're someone looking for a radiant finish with skincare benefits, this blush is worth trying. It's especially great for those with medium skin tones, and it's an excellent choice for those who want a natural flush of color without the hassle of an overly intense product. If you found this review helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss an honest beauty review. And if you've tried this product or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.